2022 presidential bid. Mudavadi, who has already declared his interest for the top seat, held a meeting with leaders from the region in Murang'a County, promising to work together and unite all the 47 counties for the purpose of peace and tranquility.
The scramble for the Mount Kenya votes ahead of the 2022 general election continue to gather momentum as ANC party leader Musalia Mudavadi toured the region for a consultative meeting with a section of elected and grassroots leaders from Murang'a, Embu and Kirinyaga counties. The meeting, which was held under the leadership of former Gashoka MP Mutava Musyimi, resolved to seek a common ground and sign an alliance to work together ahead of the 2022 polls.
They've been very candid. They've given us advice. They've criticized us. They've told me what I could do to improve my ratings here. They've told me my shortcomings. And I take it in stride and I take it positively.
We are also very grateful for the candid conversations that we've had today. And the candid conversations sometimes can be pretty rough. But so long as they are honest from the heart and they reflect the concerns and constraints of our people across the board, then they will be helpful.
Mudavadi indicated that he is ready to ensure that coffee and tea farmers' plights are fully addressed with value addition to their farm produce and creation of an enabling environment to easily sell their produce.
And as a community, we are open to anybody on this discussion because it is important for the people of Mount Kenya region to be able to chart a way forward, to have a discussion with anybody interested in leadership, like our friend Musalia Mudavadi.
So we must have commonality on matters of the economy, on matters of security, on matters of healthcare, on matters of education, the critical issues. So that we move away from corrosive politics, which are taking us into all sorts of corners, all sorts of segments.
Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, who indeed is our candidate for presidency, is reaching out. And is reaching out to talk issues. We've said this country needs a break from politics of insults, politics of personalization, to politics of issues. That the young people in this region and the young people across the country want a narrative of hope.
The meeting coming at a time when Speaker of the National Assembly, Justin Muturi, is being blessed and prepared to take over from President Uhuru Kenyatta as the Mount Kenya spokesperson.
Na sisi tumekuja kutafuta tu marafiki na tumeanza mazungumzo na Mlima Kenya na jamii ambazo zinaishi Mlima Kenya, na tuko na uhakika yale mazungumzo ambayo tumeongea leo ni mwanzo tu ya uhusiano bora kati ya jamii ambazo zinaishi Mlima Kenya na chama chetu cha ANC.
And we must have a critical mass of those issues that can unite us, so that as we have the 47 counties, we must know that we then have a Kenyan vision.
The leaders resolved to hold another follow-up meeting within a month's time. Musalia Mudavadi is a member of the One Alliance Kenya that brings on board KANU, Ford Kenya and Wiper Party. Chris Dairo, KTN News.
To some sad news, we woke up today. Former Kenya Sevens head coach Benjamin Ayimba is dead. According to the Kenya Rugby Union, KRU, family spokesman Oscar Osir confirmed